Hello, I'm Rob, one of the learning coordinators here at the new Art Gallery Walsall. You may have seen our family programme leaflet, which is out currently, covers May through to August, and I'm here today to tell you about some of the brilliant stuff we've got going on throughout the summer holidays. We'd love to see you here to take part. So first up, I'm going to tell you about our mini makers sessions. Now these are designed especially for preschool children, anyone between the ages of 2 and 5. On the 11th of August, we have these beautiful flower sundials. You're going to turn a humble paper plate, use some paint, some stickers, all kinds of decorative things, and you're going to turn them into these amazing sundials that you can take out into the garden and tell the time. And then of course we have our baby and me sessions, which do happen throughout the year. In the summer we have got the 8th of July and also the 12th of August, designed for babies, their carers, parents, a quiet multi-sensory space to explore light and colour, sounds, feel, a real place of exploration for new parents and carers. So just to make you aware, our mini maker sessions, the making sessions for the preschoolers between the ages of 2 and 5, they cost £4 per child. Our baby and me is also £4, and booking essential for our young master sessions, and they are £5 per session. Our Sunday art club and the Wednesday for all are drop-in and completely free, so there should be something for everyone this summer. And then we come to our young masters sessions, skills-based workshops working with professional artists, experts in their field, where you get a chance to explore processes, work with professional materials to create your own unique artworks. So first up, on Thursday the 23rd of July, we have painting still life in acrylics. Again, in our gallery, we've got a whole room dedicated to still life artworks. So you're going to be exploring how to describe 3D objects such as fruit, round spherical objects, large things, working tonally with shade and with highlights with acrylic paint, paintbrushes on canvas board. So that is on Thursday, the 23rd of July. Next up, we have got handy plaster cast. This is a really fun workshop working with plaster of Paris. So this one is where science meets art, and there'll be all kinds of chemical reactions going on as well. You'll also get a chance to use something called alginate, which actually comes from algae. But all these things you'll be exploring solids and liquids, and if you listen close enough you will be able to make a cast, an exact replica of your own hand, complete with all the wrinkles and hairs and everything in there. And then to round off the summer, on Thursday the 20th of August, we have got the ever popular Stitchety coming back, where you're going to learn some simple stitch skills, turning a humble piece of felt into a useful, functional and colourful coin pouch. You can decorate it with different bits of felt, beads, all kinds of things, decorative stitches. There'll also be some versions with pre-punched holes for those younger children as well. Just to let you know, these sessions do run like a class. There's 2 sessions in the day, in the morning or the afternoon. Pre-booking is essential, so just give our gallery a visit, go to reception, or you can give them a call and book your children on. And then throughout the summer, for 5 consecutive weeks, we do have our Wednesday for all sessions. They're free, they're drop-in, visit any time between the hours of 11 and 3. Each week there's a different workshop. You'll get the chance to explore paper craft with mask making, mosaics, 3D sculpture in clay, and of course you can explore different materials, wool, fabrics, to create some fantastic animal headbands. And not forgetting, we do have our ever popular Sunday Art Club. That does actually happen throughout the entire year, every Sunday that we are open, including during the summer holidays. You're always welcome. There's going to be something happening most days throughout the summer, so we'd love you to come and visit us here at the new Art Gallery Walsall. We'll see you in the summer.